Hello everybody, my name is Venusian Kalliope, and welcome to the 12th video on my YouTube channel. So this one, the frame rate is going to be a little choppy because I got a new camera that said it was 4K, and, well, it is technically 4K, but the frame rate, I'm still getting used to it, so I'm going to, try to see if there's anything I can do to fix it, exporting it with an HDMI cable or something. But anyway, yeah, with that out of the way, and my transparency about the fact that I am human and I am on a deadline, so woohoo. So we're continuing where I left off last week with the pier painting, and I'm going to be repainting the sand and the palm trees in this episode. So can we show the palette? It's full of a bunch of neutral colors and a gray and this yellow and can we show it? Good. I also add green to this mix later because I need to do the leaves properly, so woo. But yeah, the gray is for the shadows, just because the overly purpleness of the shadow from last week was bugging me a little bit, and doing the sand along with the shadow would, I feel, make it blend better. I'm sorry, I'm just a little off right now. The full moon is on the 6th of January where I live, so it's I think it's gonna be on the 6th. I have an almanac, but I'm not gonna go back to the kitchen and bring it here just to be oh yeah, everything is fine, everything is cool, yada da 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 da. Well, yeah. Also, I never realized how much I move the canvas / easel while I'm painting until now. Well, I mean, I sort of do, but having a channel where I record myself and I make art has really opened up my eyes to that. But yeah, frick. Do I sound nervous? I'm a little nervous. Mostly because I'm a little self-conscious about the frame rate, but I think this, I'll show y'all the video that initially exported, and this is me attempting to fix it so that it's an actual video instead of a short. And I know I should do shorts of this soon, but I get it. I really do get it, but and my mom is also hey, you should add clouds to this. And it's I don't really want to add clouds to this. Yeah, but yeah, I'm adding palm trees, sand, shadows. What more could you ask for? But I'm still trying to figure out what to put on the pier next to the roller coaster, but not next to the carousel. But yeah, I'm just doing these little lines of the yellow, this yellow paint that I'm just going up and down just so I can have a little bit of an undertone to the color. I know a lot about color in theory. Well, color theory, because and I have to rely on that just because of the fact that I am partially colorblind. So sometimes it's hard for me to get the full proper color. So it's yay. But yeah. Anyway, I've been watching Netflix videos, well, videos on Netflix recently and like film, TV shows, stuff like that. But like I've recently watched Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio. Oh my god, if you haven't seen it, you need to see it. It's like it's so good. Like honestly, I think it's probably the best movie of 2022. Like unironically. Why wasn't this showing in theaters like here? It's really good. It just I'm just like we had like so many like Pinocchio remakes this year too. Like what the heck was that about? I mean, I think it's a coincidence, but like why so many? We don't need this. We don't need this many, but like we needed Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio though. I'm just glad that it's like out and like, you know, stuff like that. But yeah. I mean, I'm excited. And like yeah. And I also need to like do like this like thing around the Ferris wheel, but I haven't done that yet, so I'll be doing that for next week. And also my mom wants more Aurora paintings, so it's like I thought it was free from them. Frick. I thought y'all were gonna be free from them. And truth be told, we were not free. Life is just like that, I guess. But yeah. Anyway, does anybody else like get like this feeling like once you like promise to do something for someone and then they just like end up like whittling away at your energy, and it's like I want to do just the one thing, not the many things, or I was planning on doing this but you took my motivation to do it away from me. So yeah, I mean, it's sometimes like that, like, you know. But yeah. Anyway, I also like added like a green to like the gray and the like goldy color. It's so weird to like paint with like colors, and I'm going to be going to the self-portrait soon, you guys. It's just I'm getting like practice so I can like paint skin tones and stuff right now. So it's just like practice, theory, practice, practice. And I mean, you know, the more you practice at something, the more experience you get at it. And yeah. Oh, that's the part where I stepped on like my corset strings because they became loose or something. Yeah. And here's the palette in real time, I guess. Woo. And here we go. Let's see in fast motion. Are we going to get the fast motion soon, please? There we go. Yeah, I wish I worked this fast in real life. Can you imagine how much easier things would be for me if I actually like painted that fast? I could do so much. But like, yeah. I just want to say thank you for like staying with me till the end of this video. So thank you. And just like, and we could just like enjoy like this moment. Just to be like, yeah, this is our moment. This is fine. No matter what moment it is in time. Woo. And yeah, take some deep breaths in, out. And here's the painting.